Cavite. And the race is on. Queen Star from the outside is Hail Star. Trinity Moon in the middle. On the outside is Street Song. And Henry VIII is the early trailer. Queen Star by a length and a half, followed by Trinity Moon. And running down on the inside, Hail Star is Street Song. Racing forward by some 3 lengths. And Henry VIII still running at the tail of the field. Passing the half-mile post, Queen Star by some 2 lengths. And on the outside is Trinity Moon, Hail Star. Down on the inside, Street Song. And here comes Henry VIII. Entering the last 500, Queen Star still leading the pack, followed by Trinity Moon, Hail Star, Henry VIII, and Street Song as they swing for home. Queen Star still the leader, followed by Trinity Moon and Hail Star. Down on the inside is Street Song, Henry VIII. Entering the last 100 meters more to run, Queen Star still the leader. There's spell, Henry VIII. Entering the finish line, still Queen Star. And finally, D.H. Barbie Jr. on Queen Star. Close for second. Hail Star, Street Song took fourth.